Ayurinosa, and now I want to explain you about passive voice. Uh, Now this can be a really confusing grammar structure in English. Many people ask about what the point of the passive voice is. It or really that important? Yes, because if you learn about passive voice, you've probably heard of it while learning English, but what actually is passive voice and why does it matter? Let's break it down. In English, we usually build a sentence into many ways, active and passive. An active sentence focus on who is doing the action, but in a passive sentence, the focus shifts to what is being done or what's happening to the object. Take a look at this. She cleans the room. That's active. And the room is cleaned by her. That's passive. See, difference passive voice is used the when the person doing the action is important now or just not the focus. The action goes to the action itself or the result of that action. It's also really common in more formal situations like in reports, news articles, or scientific writing where the result matter for than the person behind it. So understanding passive voice helps us sound more natural and flexible in English, depending on what we want to say and how we want to say it. Alright, now that we know why passive voice is useful, uh, let's dive into how to use it, starting with the basic structure and some everyday examples. Point of passive voice. One, identity the subject, the verb, and the object. Two, move the object to become the new subject of the sentence. Three, determine the verb tense in the active sentence. Four, conjugate the verb be according to the tense. And five, add the past participle of the main verb after be. And six, at the subject of the active sentence optional. What is the passive voice? The passive voice is a grammatical structure where the focus in a action or the object to the sentence rather than the subject performing the action. In passive voice, the object becomes the subject of the sentence. Example, active voice, the teacher teaches the lesson. Passive voice, the lesson is taught by the teacher. Grammatical structure of passive voice. To form a passive sentence, you need two key components. One's form of the verb to be, am, is, are, was, were, been, and being. And two, a past participle of the main verb. Basic structure: subject, from, of, to be, past participle, optional again. Example by. Example active: she reads the book. Passive: the book. The book reads verb 3 and she by her. By by for agent, by her, his, she. When do we use passive voice? When the action or object is more important than the subject. Example, the law was passed yesterday. Focus in the law, not who passed it. This. when the subject performing the action is ignore or unimportant. Example, the window was broken. Who broken? It is not important. When the subject performing the action is obvious. Example, the letter was delivered. It is clear the, the postman delivered it. When the object cannot perform the action by itself. Example, the cake was eaten. A cake cannot eat itself. How to convert from active to passive voice. Identify the object in the active sentence. This will become the subject in the passive sentence. Choose the correct form of to be based on the tense of the active sentence. Change the verb to its past participle form and optional add the again using by if necessary. Example conversion of the voice John wrote the letter. Passive voice the letter was to be reading lavatory by Agent John. Intransitive verb and the passive voice. Some verbs called intransitive verbs cannot be used in the passive voice because they do not have an object. Example, he arrived late. Passive cannot be formed because arrived does not have an object. Benefit of using passive voice. Objectively, passive voice is often used in formal writing, especially in academic or professional contexts, where the focus in the action rather than the doer. Avoiding agent mention it suggests the agent, the doer to the action is not important to unnecessary to mention, making passive voice a better choice. Okay, here the English version of translation. I will explain what passive voice, the grammatical structure consists of passive be and the past particle. Why do we use the passive voice? When the action is more important to interesting than the person doing the action. And two, when the person doing the action is now or not important. And three, when the person doing the action is obvious. Example, the object cannot perform the action itself. Transforming active sentence into passive. Active, Apple solve thousand of iPhones every day. Passive, thousand of iPhone are sold every day by Apple. Steps to use the passive voice or recognize the passive form, understand when and how to use the passive voice. 3. Start using the passive voice. Intransitive verb cannot be turned into the passive voice. What are intransitive verb? Example, I bought a coffee, transitive, and I arrived late, intransitive. Okay guys, that's my video. I'm sorry and many mistake. Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.